Don't do it top way, do it sideways. Otherwise I can't put it up anywhere.
Whoa! Look at me. I'm not going to do a big jump because I'll do a little jump.
She's a bit tired.
Up there. I just want to do a big jump. Sorry, Dad. I just wanted to do a big jump. I slipped. 1, 2, 3.
You gonna make Melina laugh? Come and make her laugh. Come over this way, Thomas, and make her laugh.
I'm not down in the money.
Peekaboo.
Hey Thomas, come and hide and then show yourself. Hide down here and then pop your head up.
Hide down.
Hide down there, that's it. And then pop your head up. She's a bit tired. Just pop down, hop. Don't worry about the blanket, just pop down behind there. And then... Okay, now pop up and scare her. Ready? You don't need to take it off.